To make grid, first of all, we have to create a grid pattern. So go ahead and create a new project. Select here inches and give width 10 inches, height 10 inches, and resolution 300, and background color select transparent, and just create the project first of all, and then press Ctrl R to enable ruler. Now add a horizontal ruler to your center point. Also add a vertical ruler to your vertical center point. After that, from your tool panel, you have to select the line tool, and then line, select shape, and select a color, fill color for the line, and make sure to disable stroke for the line. And here you can change your line width. I'm selecting here 20 pixel, and then hold down the shift key and draw a vertical line first of all, and the same way hold down the shift key and draw a horizontal line. And now you can remove rulers just like this, and here we have a simple grid. Now to save this grid as pattern, go to edit, click on define pattern, name the pattern. I'm giving sample grid and saving the pattern. Now you can close this project. And now go ahead and open the project in which project you want to use grid. Now I want to insert grid in this project. So here I'm just selecting the in bucket tool, and then click on this foreground, and here select pattern, and click on this pattern drop down and select the pattern that you just created. And now click on your project. And as you can see, I've successfully added grid to my project.